Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. This is the Kelsey from Westfalia. It is based on the Ford Tornado, and we've got inside a true camper van. Comes at the cost of €67,000. It's 534 centimetres long, 229 wide, 50 litres of fresh water, 57 of wastewater. Comes with a battery which is 92 ampere hours. You might want to increase that. As far as the bed and the tent and the roof's 190 by 120, and the lower bed 190 by 120. Both of them the same, sorry. And so you make up the bed down here. Got doors at either side. You've got a big table. You've got a nice looking floor. Now the tent is up. So it does give more space to actually stand. Let's come to the back, because this is the clever bit around here. Look, you've got a toilet there, you've got a shower here, you've got a fridge there, you've got storage below, you've got storage here. There's a big wardrobe there. The ladder to get into the bed is here. There, and you can see the ladder the bed comes this far down, so you can get in quite easily. The heating is a Webasto system. You can turn it on here, and hot water Truma is there. They put the lights on here. I don't know why the lights are here. I think it's a daft place to put them. I think it should be at the front somewhere. But anyway, there might be a reason, but they do this in old vehicles. And but all the same. This is, if you want a vehicle with a dual function, a car that's a camper, you've got to travel distances, you might want to sleep in comfort, then this is just the job. You might want to sleep in comfort and make yourself something to eat, then this is just the job. Change your clothes when you get your destination. Obviously I probably wouldn't want to live in something like this, but you know, for business trips, longer trips away, visiting relatives who live somewhere else, stop all over the place. Yeah, this is really good in my opinion. Right, so in fact, of all of the smaller vehicles here, they've got one of them which is a Mercedes, or Jules Verne on the Mercedes, but I think this, in all honesty, is probably the most comfortable. I do like the Jules Verne as well, but super comfortable. Right, let's have a walk up. Come around to the back here. You can see you can get this tent to put at the back, thus increasing the space you've got here, so you can keep whatever you might want to keep on the campsite, a lawnmower, spare giraffe, that type of thing could go in here. Here we've got the access to the cassette toilet, which has been removed, the tray for the shower there. We've got one drainage point, but with a large domestic hole. And oh, I didn't shoot the fridge, which will open the other way actually. So there, victory free. Got a two-way fridge. Great. And in here, bit more storage. So I think that's a nice little vehicle. I know some of the other vehicles, such as the Kepler, the ones without a toilet and ones without a shower, I just don't like them at all. But keep it self-contained. It's a camper van. And there is a theory that if you just go to the campsites, then you don't need toilets. Well, yeah, I mean that's fair enough. You don't. Why carry water around for showering with you? I appreciate that point. Even some of this has got a small water tank, 50 litres. 50 litres, that's what, 50 kilos plus the weight of the water tank itself. And it's like the weight of a child. So, or some adults. Thanks for watching. All the best from me in Germany.